Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to study about the speed and velocity. Now before that we will see some questions are there. What are vectors and scalars? These are vectors and scalar quantities are there actually. So vector quantity means the quantity in which magnitude and direction is there. For example, weight. Okay. Scalar means only magnitude is there in this. So actually what is magnitude? Magnitude is nothing but the size. Okay. Now you see some of the example, which of the quantities, distance, speed, velocity, time and displacement are scalar and which are vectors. So from these quantities, distance is scalar, speed is scalar, velocity is vector, time is scalar and displacement is vector. So these are the different two types of scalars and the vectors quantity. Now come to the speed. What is speed? Speed is nothing but the total distance traveled by an object or a body upon time required. Okay, and it is calculated in meter per second. So we can have the definition of speed: the distance traveled in a particular direction by an object in unit time is called its velocity. Okay, now see here very slightly difference is there between speed and velocity. What is speed? The speed is the distance travel of a body in from one place to another. And what is velocity? The distance traveled by a body in a direction in unit time. Okay, that is a velocity. So here unit time can be 1 second, 1 minute, 1 hour, etc. If large units are used, 1 year can also be used as a unit of time. Now the displacement that occurs in unit time is called velocity. So velocity, we are having the formula: velocity is displacement upon time. Now in the first example on page 1, the straight line distance between the houses of Sheetal and Sangeeta is 500 meter, and that between Sangeeta's house and school is 1200 meter. Now we will see now this first page. This is here. This is the house of Sheetal and Prashant. Okay, so the distance of this, for example, Sheetal is going from path 1 500 meter to Sangeeta's house, and from Sangeeta's house from path B they are going to the school, and Prashant is going directly to the school. Okay, so this is the displacement and this is the distance. Okay, now so what is the difference 500 meter and the 1200 meter? So also the straight line distance between Sheetal's house and school is 1300 meter. Okay, suppose Sheetal takes 5 minutes to reach Sangeeta's house, so and then 24 minutes to reach school from then. Okay, so you see here it takes 5 minutes and then it takes 24 minutes to go to the school. So Sheetal's speed we have to calculate. So Sheetal's speed along path A, that is distance upon time, and 500, that is for path A 500 meter upon 5 minutes. Okay, so we are using calculating the speed of Sheetal along path A. Which is path A here? This one. We are calculating speed of path A. Then we will calculate the speed of path B. Okay. Now, what is the speed here now? 500 meter upon 5 minutes, and that is coming to 100 meter per minute. Okay. Now, Sheetal's speed along path B. That is distance upon time. So we know that is path B's distance 1200 meter upon 24 minute, and that is 50 minute per minute. Okay. Now Sheetal's average speed. What is average speed? This total of this and divided by 2. So now you see total distance. What is the total distance? 500 meter plus 1200 meter. So that is 1700 meter. Okay. Then total distance 5 minute and 24 minute. That is 29 minute. Okay, understood? We are calculating the Sheetal's average speed. So average speed is nothing but total distance upon total time. So to 1700 plus upon 29 minute, and that is coming 58.6 meter per minute. Okay, now we will calculate Sheetal's velocity. In the first case we have studied about the Sheetal's average speed. Now we will calculate Sheetal's velocity. So we know that what is velocity. Yes, you see here, velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. Okay. Now displacement upon time. What is displacement? Displacement, as we have seen in the first page, that was short distance. Okay, short distance. So that was 1300 meter upon time. Time we know this total time 29 minutes. So Sheetal's velocity is nothing but 44.83 meter per minute. Okay, understood the concept here? We are calculating this all as per the page number 1. Okay. Now the effect of speed and direction on velocity. What is the effect of speed and direction on velocity? So you see here, Sachin is traveling on a motorbike. Here it is, some pictures are given to you. So now explain what will happen in the following events during Sachin's ride. See figure number 1.3. Now what will be the effect on the velocity of the motorcycle if its speed increases or decreases but its direction remains unchanged? So what will the effect on it? Will also increase and decrease. The answer is increase or and decreases. Now in case of a turning on the road, will the velocity and speed be same? If Sachin changes the direction of the motorcycle keeping its speed constant, what will be the effect on this velocity? It will change. Then third, if on a turning Sachin changes the direction as well as the speed of the motorcycle, what will be the effect on its velocity? It will change or it changes. So it is clear from the above that velocity depends on speed as well as direction, and that velocity changes by first changing the speed while keeping the direction same, second changing the direction while keeping the speed same, third changing the speed as well as the direction. Okay, thank you.